What's up, chat? It's me and Fable. We gonna do some drinking.
Drinking.
Drank.
Try to anyways.
Now
So
that would be
I got
funny. I was just
what?
thinking, someone just redid the images for all the drinks in the drinking game, and it just is like a Fireball handle, Coors Light,
God. That would
like
actually be kind of funny.
martini. Just like actually like full on redid the drinking.
That'd be hilarious.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah, Grease. It's a VTuber. If you want to participate next year and you don't want to show your face, VTubing is an option.
so since there you go. Okay. I was like, I can't send you the messages. So
Mm-mm.
Jalen's a friend of mine, old school friend. He's original Cobalt player. One of my drinking buddies met up at Tax Prime one year.
Cool.
My butt successfully right now. So for those who saw that and don't know how to drink, okay, wait, what color am I? Don't ever chase a row. It never ends in your favor. Don't chase. That was just rubbish. Oh, you. I do. Oh, want want. I'm gonna kill his row. Not gonna get many from it. But then he kills my row. Thanks. Oh, nice. So the biggest trick to drinking is knowing what shape you can place where. So like in this one right here, I know he needs either the blue bottle or no, actually just the blue bottle. So it's going off of the actual shapes that are around it.
Mm-hmm.
But with classic, there's also a catch at the end that person who has the most stains, have them in your color, get an extra 200. So always try to keep more squares your color. I think
Mm-hmm.
there's lots of different settings and then lots of different bugs, which is weird. I can't drink worth bollocks in real life, but I like drinking.
Yay! I can't drink in any capacity. I suck at all of it. Okay, let's see.
I will be drinking today though when I get back.
So much.
Fable
Dude,
will be
Kipper,
getting
lucky to
schnockered
have you.
for the first
Yay!
time in a very long time.
I have lots of spins I need to do. Holy moly! So let me get to spinning. First one goes to Ariave. Ariave. Hey, Gio. Um, Jimmy has a question for you too in chat if you're reading that.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're fine.
You turn prosperity for. You know, I always wondered that, and you know how a lot of people say, "Oh, you lucked out," or "Oh, this and that." It's actually completely random. So you probably have a higher probability of certain type pieces depending on how you set it up. So for example, in this row right here at the bottom, you need either a blue jug or a yellow cup. But since it's only between two shapes and two colors, you have a higher probability of getting that versus having three different colors and then the fries. Another little trick is you can always hover over your mug. Like I have 18 stains, he has 22. So even though I'm ahead of him, drink out right now, he wins because he's going to get that extra 200. Why can't drink Fable in real life? Part of it's because of certain medication I'm on, but part of it's just because I'm a real lightweight when it comes to alcohol. I'm like your definition of a, I guess, one drink and I'm like gone. I
Yeah,
just
I'm in the
don't
same
drink very
boat there.
often.
Yep.
So, but it's graduation day. So
There you go.
I will.
Okay, so
Oh,
Ariave wins a portrait. I can't find you in game or here, but find me.
got a couple portraits.
Yeah, I do. This one is for Greece. Greece wins a prize box. And these things will all be delivered on a lag. Don't worry about it. We've got a whole spreadsheet here where we're keeping up with who won what and whether or not we've delivered it or not. So no worries there.
That's actually been really handy. This.
Yay! I'm glad we figured something out. Iago is next. Iago's spin. Iago is getting a sticker. I'll send you a sticker. Well, Cleaver will send you a sticker. So that's fun.
Jalen, stop taking my stuff.
Alright. Next one is Galantis. Galantis wins a sticker as well. If you're US based. If not, let me know and I will respend for you, Galantis. Next is Cubby.
Oh, there's Steve. Sam. Just plugged on.
Cubby actually hit the Jazz donates $15 ticker. So I will be doing that right
Nice.
now.
I think that's the best sticker.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay. I'm doing that now. Donate.
Wowie! Incredible!
Eamon with $100. Thanks, buddy.
Oh, nice. Okay. Jalen, you did that on purpose. Now you're just going soft on. Because he totally could have taken that row. And I think Mixed Drinks is here is also to do drinking games.
Nice.
Who is incredibly disgustingly good at it. I was actually really upset they canceled the OCLs in the last season. Mix was supposed to be on my OCL team, along with Modafo and some others, but they can't.
When was that? 15 years ago?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
So what was that, season 7? They canceled it. That was. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna let Mix. I know he has certain settings he likes. I'm gonna let him pick his settings.
All right. Next spin is Shar. Oh! All right. Shar gets a prize box and a kitty dance. That's just how it's going to be. Next is Slinky. Don't worry, that donut is just for me. Slinky gets a kitty dance. Dariel donated, but Dariel has already donated as well, so double thankful. Let me just combine that here, and I'll spin for Dariel. Lots of spins. Why do I hear the?
So, I just want to give huge props to whomever charted the ship.
No, that was Moen.
Because that's awesome.
Yeah.
That's the hardest thing I think to find with this is find somebody who can chart it all the way around.
Yep. Kitty deserves a break from dancing. Oh, Arimo has a question for you. Oh, same question that Biska got. What new familiar do you want next in Puzzle Pirates?
That is tough. I kind of like the butterfly idea. Kind of weird. I'm really a traditional person, and I think a lot of the things in this game are already not historically accurate.
No,
But
there were definitely rum jug mascots and yetis in pirate times,
oh yeah, you know.
and rocks
But I
that
think
moved.
I think the butterfly would actually be pretty. Or like the little pixie. They'll go with the whole Tinkerbell effect. I think would be nice.
Yeah, that'd be sick. Okay, next spin is for Adriel. I have so many that I still need to do. Adriel gets a trinket. Next is Ricke. Ricke gets a trinket as well.
So,
Eamon. Yeah.
what's one of the chameleons in the game?
Oh, I don't know.
Because I had never seen it until recently, but that has got to be the cutest stinking thing.
Oh, you haven't seen chameleons?
No, I finally saw one, and it changes colors and everything, and it was really cute, and it's a lot of fun. A friend gave me one on Cerulean, and I just have so much fun with it, like putting on different outfits, watching it change color. My God, Mick. Bro killer. Bro killer.
Eamon's spin, and also Eamon, you donated $100. So tell me what ingredient you want on this sandwich.
Thank you.
Eamon also wins some Poe. And off it goes. Congrats to you. Alright.
Oh God. Really? I totally forgot what mug I was using.
Got him.
Sorry, Nick. Oh. I learned to drink playing to 2000 Five Shapes and Colors using a stein. So that used to be my thing, and I knew how to use it. Oh, bollocks. Nope. Hang on. And the key thing to drinking is knowing how to use that mug that you've got. And I didn't even realize what I was using. And when I was covering his squares, I was taking points from him and adding it to me. I kind of won that way without even realizing what I was doing. I feel like an idiot. But that's okay, because I get to be an idiot today. Oh, come on.
You're making a real
Salima with the
impact.
$150 donation. Let's go. Get you a wheel spin. Tell me what ingredient you want on this. Prize box for Salima. All right.
Okay, gotten it.
Imani, I'll send you a link, okay?
Yeah, they were having problems earlier as well.
Yes, Imani, you should, on the link I sent you, you should be able to see all the incentives. If you scroll down the page. Should be able to.
And if anybody wins one of the St. Jude fans and is willing to part with it,
Then give it to Jazz.
no.
And then if you get 2 of them, give the second one to Fable, because she deserves it big time, even more than me. But just because she deserves it more doesn't mean that she should get it before me.
It's my graduation.
I didn't get a fam on my graduation, so basically I'm owed 2.
Yeah, well.
Yeah,
I
well.
should be doing makeup and everything right now. But I'm here helping. It's gonna be a long day. Holy cow. So yeah, for those who don't know, I actually graduate today with my master's degree in nursing. And it just so happened to be the same day that this event is. So I've been up since about 4 a.m. to help with the event. I will dip out for a few hours, go walk across the stage, and then I will come back and help finish. So I don't even get the party afterwards.
Dang it.
That's
Yeah,
okay.
because mean old Jazz is absolutely forcing you. Definitely didn't tell you that you could be away this entire day because it made sense too, because it's a big day for you. But it's fine.
No, I already committed to it, and I think it's a great cause and it's totally worth it. If anything, I blame the Milwaukee Bucks. They're the ones that lost the game. Had they had won the game in the playoffs, then graduation would be tomorrow. And it wouldn't have been a problem. But no, they had to be a bunch of losers. So, because we used their whatever it is stadium for graduation. I am sucking this match. Oh, you. Set up, man. So how he did that, he was able to frame it around, so he literally only did any piece of that color to finish that row.
Chat, what did Dario win? My brain went dumb.
Thing?
I know, except for the fact that I forgot to note it. I'm just gonna spend for Dario again.
Oh, you like manually put it in.
Yeah.
Oh snap!
Thanks for believing
I thought it like
in
automatically.
St. Jude.
I know who that is. They're a pirate. I don't know if they want to DOS themselves, so I'm just gonna say a pirate that we know and love just donated $1,000
Oh my gosh!
to St. Jude. Let's go.
Congrats! Oh my gosh! Thank you, whoever that was.
They can out
Congrats
themselves
you.
in chat if they want to. Okay, and I'll spend for you in a second. I already forgot what I spent for Dariel because I'm a dummy. Was it Poe? I think it was Poe. Was it Poe? I'm gonna say it was Poe. I will send that now, and then I'm gonna spend for Imani as well. Yes, the magenta Krabby Patty is gone.
Wow. Oh, is that what they got?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Dariel, you get Imani. You get a trinket. There you go. And I will get that delivered to you.
This Jessica also has some trinkets to help deliver.
Yep.
Got a
She's
few
been
more.
chatting with me, no problem. Let me send Darielle 100K right quick. Now I'm gonna turn on my window AC unit over here. Hopefully it's not too loud, but
Jiminy Crickets, I can't click. So next year, I don't even know if Mix is an amazing drinker. He really is. And I think he would be great to do an hour.
okay. Well, mixed drinks has got to apply. Let's do it.
Yeah, I don't think he knew about it. And I mean, last year I was like filling in because somebody had technical difficulties. So
True.
now that this I want to see what that trinket looks like in game, that magenta Krabby
I have a
Patty.
portrait with it.
Do you really? I gotta see that. I have to look.
Yeah.
Because that's awesome. So what's actually left?
Good question. Let me look at that. We have got there is one real life doubloon to be claimed, and I'm telling you, Cleaver is plumb out of them. So this is the last one that will ever be available to be claimed in this manner.
Oh, wow.
There are plenty of playing cards left in both the red and the rare blue variety. Postcard from Cleaver, those are all still available. He's got 6 postcards left from 20 years ago. We've got 4 Cleaver eggs left. We've got both of the T-shirts that are also ancient. If I got one of these T-shirts, I'd probably put it in a frame jersey style and stick it on the wall. But that's just me because they're kind of old.
I want the spider.
There's one spider has been claimed. The other one is still left. That's a $700 one, and then both the Cleaver dolls are sold out. The Krabby Patty's sold out. So all that's left on the really big prizes is you can claim a lifetime subscription, or
That would be handy.
yeah, I mean, I guess if the game goes for another 30 years, you make money on that one, and then Cleaver's personal YPP box edition unopened is still available.
See, I personally would like that one as well. I remember when we had these by the box edition, and then you got like the special hat or the back sword.
Yep, I have a
that
back
came
sword.
with it.
Yep, I love my back sword.
It's fun.
Yep, they call it a back sword because I hold it between my cheeks when I fight.
No fight. Yeah. Now I got like this mental image that I'm not sure I really wanted.
Well,
But
no, well.
Who else has this mental image now?
Nobody,
me?
just you. You're just being a goober.
God, make it stop. It's funny though.
I'm glad.
Why? Why do you hate? No, yeah, Peace Generation is random, believe it or not. Obviously they're going to come out more frequently if you're playing with only 4 shapes and colors versus 5 or 6. why I don't like the 4 shapes and colors. But for those who play a lot with the 4 shapes and colors, it's easier to make it like right here, how
Mm-hmm.
it's been, he has it shaped up. You only need any yellow piece, any shape will go in there. So
Right.
the 4 shapes and colors makes it easier to set that up, but it's still technically random.
Breeze Block from Meridian donated $20. Meridian player.
Aw, you Breeze.
All
I'm
right,
glad you
Breeze.
made it.
I'm gonna spend for you. Hopefully, it's something that I can give you, regardless of your ocean.
I'll give him a prize on Meridian. He plays Meridian with me.
Okay.
So
All right. He said prize box, and I will. I'll just make a note of it.
I will give him something on Meridian. I'm just glad he made it. Said he was gonna try to make it over here for my hour.
Yay.
There's a poker table in one of the cabins. Asking.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, somewhere.
So one of the cabins, like as you head towards the back of the ship, has got all the prizes in it, and the other one's got like the poker table. I decorated it. For Greece. Yes. My jam. I like decorating. I like to run around. So I play Meridian time, and I like to run around and just try to, decorate all the islands because it's fun. I like to decorate.
Oh, dude. Yeah, me too.
Yeah, and Jazz, shame on him, he did not have a ship for us to use till last year.
Well, I don't know. Hey, I can't have all the good right ideas.
So, but a couple people helped
Yep.
with this one. So I got the ship and got it renamed, and then a friend donated the paint. And then I emptied my gallery and decorated. I don't know. I don't know whose green outfit that is. You're right. It doesn't fit the theme, but I'm like, where did this come from? Thought maybe Jazz put it in there or something, but I don't know. It's in the captain's cabin.
Oh, is it? I probably
Yeah.
just literally like changed my outfit out for the St. Jude one and was like, I'll just leave this here.
Oh, okay. I remember looking at it one day and like, where? God.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite combos there. Oh man. Okay. So plenty of people who have not told me what they want on their sandwich lately. We've got Imani, Eamon, Salima, Loops, Richstall, North Star, Mwyn, Rockstar G, Lex de Tyrex, Dream, Pistachio.
Pyrex. That's brilliant.
You like that?
I love that.
Finally, some pickles. Let's go.
Yay, pickles.
We love pickles.
Wait, are they sweet or dill?
Dill, I think.
Okay, good. How did I do that? Donkey.
You're a 5-layer combo.
Yeah, exactly. Jiminy Cricket. Bad juju. Bad juju. I love you. Alright, Mix. I'm tired of this 4 shaping colors. Doing it my way. Got challenged by some.
Yes, I will hydrate. Thank you, Yog.
So anybody can jump in and play if they want to, if they're on the ship. It doesn't have to be Mix.
Wowee!
$20 anonymous donation. Thank you.
Jude!
Thank you, Anonymous. For real. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Grease drink. Okay. That's okay. You've already won my heart because you started in the corner with the fries.
Oh.
It's a really dodgy trick, but it works. If you do classic drinking and you start in the corner with the fries, you actually have a really good chance to immediately force a drink out. But since you started and you're in the corners with the fries, have the advantage to having.
Imani,
Yeah.
no, you cannot ask to deduct something from the sandwich, unfortunately. Because I never
can't
set
they
up
do
that
that on their
functionality.
spin? That would be actually.
Yeah, that would be
awesome.
base. That would be so cool. Oh, Krusty's adding things. But yeah, Imani, let me know what you want me to add. Greek yogurt. Yummy. Thank you. You could just not add something, I guess, Imani, if you want. You said yum, Krusty. Let's see if my my little RNG drinking sound generator yeah, I think it is. It's either drinking or distilling. You'll see. You'll see. I'm gonna add it.
Add an antacid. Your sandwich.
Yum. Yum. It literally did. Yum. Yes. I don't know. I mean, I have Tums. Does that work?
That'll work. That
All right.
worked.
Yeah, I'm just literally gonna
Okay.
pop those before I start. Oh, that's a
I was
distilling
you're gonna
sound. That's
need
what
'em.
I thought. Okay, Mwyn came back. She wants ranch. Makes sense to me.
Why not?
Also, Mwyn, I need to spend for you while you're here. Let me do that.
Should I send you a Zofran?
Okay, you get a kitty dance. I have to pay out some kitty dances.
I think you should dance instead of the kid.
No, Miles is way cuter.
Yeah, but you'd way funnier.
Thank you so much!
Another
Kids are lucky to have you.
another $20 anonymous donation. I feel bad. Y'all are missing out. Tell me your name, but thank you so much. Yes, posture check, thank you. Oh, and let me get the kitty.
God, in my... Gotta enjoy drinking while I can. So I had an MRI yesterday because I got some lump that formed on my shoulder after my last shoulder surgery. And the easiest way to describe it is that I kind of have a volcano inside my shoulder. So it thought it was like some kind of cyst, and it turns out my shoulder up about 4 different places, causing all the fluid to push up, and it's literally erupting like a volcano.
Hey,
So
I'm back.
now I'll be getting
We're-
like my. It'll be my degree on that one.
Ugh.
Yeah.
We're gonna try some different treats. Maybe he'll like these better.
All right.
You want these? You want this one?
My audio or Jazz's? Mine? Okay. I don't know.
I think your audio sounds fine.
I know I do have like I don't know if it's the internet or what, but every now and then it just goes stuck on stupid. Yeah, it might be my Discord sensitivity. I can work with that. Back here.
Giving Miles one of these treats is like trying to feed a pill to a cat. It's just like he just does not
God.
want it.
Is that any better? Try that. Where are my fries? I ate them. Oh no. One. Yeah, I'll take.
Toasty
Octopus
with the
for you!
$150
Thanks for
donation.
being so generous!
Thank you, Coasty. Coasty's my BFF.
Let's go.
Like my YPP puppy.
I get it.
Whether he likes it or not.
Dip is my YPP hubby.
Aw. Dude, we do double wedding.
Our remote question. What new update do you want next in Puzzle Pirates?
Oh. Okay, so this is probably not going to be widely popular, but I would like an update to where people are actually held to the toss standards, regardless of
You just made waves of kindness!
how much you bankroll the game.
I don't know. Sounds weird. People shouldn't have to follow directions if they pay it off. That's how the real world works, you know.
Yeah, there.
Krusty with the $100 dono. Thank you, Krusty.
Oh, thank you, Krusty.
What am I adding to
Thank you,
this?
Good job. You did really well. You really did.
Krusty, what am I adding to this sandwich, my dude? And let me spin for you too.
Cat food.
No, I don't think that will fly. Krusty wins Poe. The rich get richer, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, croutons. That's a good one.
Crusted crouton wants croutons? What if I told you I don't have croutons? The closest thing I have is bacon bits. You want bacon bits?
Yum. Cassie, you want to come drink?
All right. It'll look like bacon, but it's actually bacon bits.
Oh, are you even on the game, Krusty?
Yeah, they're pre-bought, Pinkus.
I tried to job him, but he wasn't online. That didn't work out too well.
Oh yeah, no, we're low effort here. I'm not actually making anything. Oh, they're fake? I don't think so. Hold on, we'll inspect the bag. Let's inspect the bag.
Okay. We'll drink later then. Anybody else? Here, I'll just put it on the ship.
All right, so they say organic, uncured applewood smoked bacon crumbles, no nitrates or nitrites added.
Well, aren't we fancy? I kind of want some now.
Made with pork raised with vegetarian diet, no hormones or antibiotics. Yeah,
wait.
pretty good.
It's pork, but it's vegetarian. Is that what he just said?
Ugh.
Or did I hear that wrong? Maybe it's like fake meat. Maybe. Okay. Yeah, that's what I was like mathing on that one. I was like, what?
I got them.
Jazz, how is it pork but also vegetarian?
No. The pig was raised vegetarian.
Gotcha. Okay.
So yeah, but you're a
What?
vegetarian by association when you eat this bacon.
Okay.
Yeah, come on.
Sure. I'll buy that one. I guess if nobody wants to drink, I'm gonna make mixed drink.
Oh, I'm gonna beat you. I'm actually gonna beat you in drinking game. Where is this table?
All right. It's at the back of the ship, like above your cabin.
Okie dokie.
Oh my god, that was so cute. Okie dokie.
Here we go. Oh, I don't have
Did
a
you know
mug.
That's okay. It's classic.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, I'm actually gonna wreck you. It's gonna be awesome. $20 from Cancier.
For you. Thanks for being so
You did not put the fries in the corner.
Uh-huh.
Oh
See,
no!
now you gotta
Oh
And
no!
technically, right now, I could drink that. Oh, but then you got the fries. So, that was a really bad attempt. Rude. Ooh. Thank goodness.
Hmm.
So, are you doing any bathtub time this year?
Any what?
Bathtub time.
Of course. I always do bathtub time.
Yay.
Now, will I be streaming it? Probably not.
I was gonna say, I win. You gotta get in the bathtub.
Blop blop. Your kindness.
Is that another donation? Yeah, it's another $20 from Cancier. Thank you.
Oh, that's sweet. Thank you. I'm drinking the po out of people.
Gamer Boy Bathwater $1,000 price. Yeah, sure. Why not? I'd be happy to.
Right? Heck, I may even volunteer for that.
Yum.
I should put my cats on stream next year because they won't stop meowing. Thanks.
Hey, no problem.
Nothing but love for you. Oh, you and the fries.
You and the hook.
Denied.
That was dumb of me, but here we are.
You're still pretty though, so it's okay.
I'm glad you used the word pretty because I don't like it when people tell me like masculine words for beautiful. Like, don't call me handsome. What does that even mean? I've got some hands. Like, that's, you know what I mean? Low effort.
I actually never thought of it that way, but that kind of makes sense in a weird way.
Bro, don't call me macho, bro. I'm pretty.
You're macho. You're
I'm
buff.
not macho. Ugh.
You're beautiful.
I'm a pretty boy.
You're bootyful.
Now
Oh,
that.
why did you do that?
What do you mean? Why did I do that?
I mean, well, it's a great setup, but you could have taken this row right here, this double keg row.
Oh, and I'm not worried about that.
That was
Your French fries.
incredibly kind of you.
Natalie slash Inverarity donated $100.
Oh, awesome.
Thank
The
you.
Meridian. Oh, Natalie. Hey. Thank you.
Thank you, Bella. Thank you.
Oh gosh, I'm gonna owe a lot of people a Meridian. That's okay. I will hook up my Meridian peeps who get prize wheels, pins, and stuff. Since, yeah, OMs are OMs.
Mm.
And we are the forgotten red-headed stepchildren.
Mm.
If I'm talking about, so yeah, it was Viridian, but it's Meridian now. It's Viridian and Malachite that were merged together. So Viridian was my home for a very long time, ever since it opened. I went there for midnight. And then Malachite, I considered my retirement ocean. So now they're together. And it's actually kind of fun because it's like the old days. You know, you actually have to pillage. You actually have to do your own labor. You have to go out and do your bid tickets and move your commodities. It's
Boo.
like what the game used to be once upon a time. And
No.
I enjoy that aspect of it.
No. You have to play poker. That's what I like.
Nah. I mean, poker's fun, don't get me wrong. And I like that I can go to Emerald every now and then and play. But
Fun? Who said anything about fun?
like,
You got to put
I
work in
remember
when
the
you play
game before
poker.
even Portraits came out. And that was like the OMs would hang out on the docks with us. Or Oceanus would throw parties in his shack. And we'd all just hang out there. You know, it was a lot of fun then. And now I feel like a lot of that social puzzle aspect that made the game so popular has been lost.
Mm. Oh, that's me.
Yeah.
I thought it was you. I was waiting for you to eat the fry.
You're too busy trying to look pretty.
Try. Okay, now that's an insult.
Okay, you're too busy looking pretty.
There we go.
You're looking pretty snazzy with that little beard there.
Mm.
Although I still say you go bald to match your pirate.
If we hit 32K, I will go bald. 32K, and that's 100K lifetime, and I'm hoping for that, but that's also a lot to ask. Repo stream. Yeah, I don't really play games unless they're menus anymore. Does that make sense? I want to be presented with options and being given 20 plus seconds to think about it.
I like how with things in this game, basically nothing happens without your consent.
Yeah, spreadsheet gaming. Exactly. Spreadsheet gaming. Bye.
Oh boy's right. I am not in a good spot here. Jazz is.
Oh yeah,
Okay,
I got that natural inclination, huh? But then I do a little bit of this to you.
And I'll do a little bit of this.
And then crap. All right, cool.
And then you'll crap. Bathroom's down the hall.
Crap.
Uh, 7, 8. This is actually close.
Yeah, because I'm gonna win. I gotta make it look like it's close.
You just might at this rate. Because, yeah. Not doing so hot.
What are you counting?
Something.
Hmm. All right. If you say so.
It's a secret. I'm counting points
All right.
and stains on the game. So
Why wouldn't you put your...
other.
Why wouldn't you have put it on the last stain and then the game was over?
Because you would win.
Really?
You have more stained rows or stained shapes
Oh,
than
there's
I
like
do.
another calculation that happens at the end. I see.
Yeah, so you get an extra 200 points.
Oh, cool.
So when it comes to classic, if you don't have 8, 9, 10,
So now you win because you're gonna place and then that's it.
no, you would
All
have
right.
won by like 5 points.
Oh wow, that's crazy.
I have to say more than 200 in front of you in order to win.
Yeah, but you're 300 in front of me right now.
Oh, bollocks.
There you go, GG's.
This-
What? She's letting me win. She's
You
throwing
can't-
chat.
No, you can't place that there. There. Now you can place it.
But then I
No, there.
lose.
Then you lose.
I lose if I place that there.
Yes.
All right, so that's a big no-no then.
Oh!
And then I do this.
Donkey.
And then
I think the drinking might have to start early today.
um
Oh. Bollocks.
Oh, we're getting BK reminders. Our hour's up.
For the flame.
Oh, crud. Quick.
I know, I'm trying to go. Of course you get a freaking hook. What the heck, bro?
But ease it
Oh, and
down.
then you're gonna make it easier for me to place there? Alright, she's throwing chat. GG's.
Oh, you won!
Yeah, of course. I'm goated. Alright. Bye chat.
Nice. Good job.